back to Baking in Style. So today we're going to be making autumn leaf cookies. These are going to be amazing. It's like a vanilla almond sugar cookie shaped like a leaf. So it's going to be like a maple leaf. And it's going to be 3 different colors, orange, yellow, and red. So I am really excited. What you need will be flour, granulated sugar, vegetable shortening, salt and baking soda, vanilla and almond extract, eggs, red, yellow, and orange food coloring. And then I also have just like fine white sprinkles or white sanding sugar. Don't mind the 4th of July, it's just what the white was in. So first what you want to do is whisk together your flour, baking powder, and salt. Baking soda and salt, sorry. And then set this aside. Okay, now you're going to get a large bowl and beat together your shortening and granulated sugar. Divide this into 3 portions and tin each one different color. So I'll put this bowl for one. I'll divide it into 3. It's like that's good. Let's see. We'll do it like this. Okay, so after you've dyed all of the 3 like dough balls, you're going to wrap them in plastic wrap and then put them in the fridge for 1 hour. Okay, so it's been an hour in the fridge, and now I'm going to roll it out. So we're gonna start this. So I'm just gonna take a chunk. I'm going to take chunks from each, and let's see, I'm going to take this, and then just place it somewhere on the thingy, the mat, here. Oh, I have to flour this. And also get some flour on the... Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm just gonna place this in the corner. Just make like small balls, maybe like this size. And just put them somewhere on the board, and you're just going to keep doing that with all the colors until you have made like a rectangle or a square. going to take our maple leaf cookie cutter and just cut out a bunch of leaf cookies, and then put them on a baking sheet. I'll do this. I wish they'd stay up. Oh, that's too big.
Instead of a ball, would you enjoy a flower?
Sure.
Alrighty.
Grace, Mom's calling you. To put these in the freezer for 10 minutes. They're looking amazing. You also want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I will see you guys in 10 minutes. Okay, so they just came out in the freezer. I just put some of the sanding sugar on, and it's looking really good. Now we're going to put both sheets in the oven for, actually I think I only do one. Yeah, only one. For 10 minutes. I'm going to start with, actually 10 to 12. I'm going to do 11. Or, sorry. 10. Okay, I'll see you guys when that is all done. Okay, so now the timer just turned off. Let's see these. They look amazing. There we go. They look so good. Now we're gonna put the second batch in. The second sheet in. I'm gonna do 11 minutes. Okay, I'll see you guys when that is all done. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. Now I want to transfer the cookies on the first sheet onto just a wire rack. Where's the cookie thing? There you go. Oops. Okay, here we go. This has 3 minutes, and we'll see you guys to take that out. Okay, so the 11 minutes are all up. Now it's time to take these out. They look so good. I definitely think the first ones turned out better because those are the ones with more of a like stamp on them. But they still all turned out good. I'm just gonna put these in, and then we'll be all done. Okay, I'm gonna wait 5 minutes, and then we can transfer those to the cookie sheet, the wire rack.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey.
There.
Pass it back. Pass it back.
No. Stop it.
Hey. Okay, so they're all done. These are a few of them. They look absolutely amazing. It's like a lot better than I expected. Here. They look really good. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!